morning. Yeah, I'm just checking, guys. I don't know my voice is audible or not, but I'm just checking. In fact, it's good afternoon. I'm actually here at Yelahanka. Okay, I'm actually here at Yelahanka. I don't know how the wind blast is working. I just made some modifications just to avoid wind. In fact, GoPro 10 has modifications like wind reduction, but yesterday night I checked, but still so much of wind coming from the GoPro. It's okay. I made some jugaad regarding this. As you can see, yeah, it's just a band, woolen type band. I just added that. Let's see if this works or not. Okay. Yeah, this is R15 version 3. I just yesterday morning I gave it to the service for quick oil change and chain sprocket, complete chain sprocket change. Sorry for the inconvenience. I got some cold, that's why my voice is like this. Okay. Actually I want to change my helmet also. This is quite not okay for motor vlogging. As why I'm doing all these things, in the sense next year I was going or happening Ladakh. For that I was preparing for my bike, accessories, everything from past 1 year. The goal is simple, just to reach the highest motorable pass in the world, that is Umingla. For that I bought the GoPro 10. Would be nicer for that. And then this GoPro 10 will be the this will be my primary camera. I don't know so much of wind out there, but I was talking and just hoping that it's quite capture my voice as well. I just opened my windshield a little bit up just to ensure that my voice is getting into GoPro. Actually, for this one also I need to buy GoPro Media Mod 10. In this Media Mod I can able to give an external mic to the GoPro. From that I can reduce the noise very much and I can talk with you guys clearly. And yeah, I don't know if this video, when I release to YouTube, it will reach or not, it will get the views or not, I don't care. I just want to enjoy my 20s, that's it now. And again I'm saying I don't expect anything from YouTube. 0% expectations. I just wanted to create memories, and I just wanted to save my memories somewhere in some one platform, that at any age, at any point of time, I need to means at some point of my age, older age or mid age, something. If I want to see what I'm doing at my 20s, I want to have my decent amount of memories captured in this GoPro 10. That's why I'm using GoPro, and I'm using this platform YouTube. Actually you can see my channel has 9.18k subscribers, but it was previously not motor vlogging channel. It's a kind of editing and putting some you know now that childish videos, like editing something and put it on YouTube and gain some views. Yeah, Actually, I was going so slow due to the wind, so much of wind. Hopefully, what I'm talking, all these things captured by the GoPro 10. Actually, this GoPro 10 is good for vlogging purpose. Means if you are a vlogger, then you don't need external mics for this. You can vlog easily without external mics. But as a motor vlogger, I don't say myself motor vlogger. This is just a beginning. Yeah. For that, you need one external mic also, and then external mics and external. This one GoPro 10 doesn't have any slot for mic. That's why I have to buy some media board. As you know, I'm just getting all these things by my own expense. I'm just thinking that it's okay. I can buy through my dad's money or something else, but I don't want all these things. I want to buy this from myself, from my hard-earned money. From that money only, I need to go to Ladakh. That's where the actual maja is. Yeah, I was just talking in English only. If you guys want Kannada, then okay, I can be talking Kannada or English, and I doesn't talk in Hindi. I know, but I don't talk in Tamil also and Hindi also. Kannada or English. So much of wind, guys. I'm really sorry if this audio is coming like so much crackies or wind blowing type. I'm so sorry, and it's quite new for me to talk while riding. Actually, I don't talk while riding. I'll just keep silent, whether it's 100 kilometers or 200 kilometers. But it's quite not a quite. It's very much new for me. Okay. Yeah, I'm currently at Yelahanka, Bangalore. Yeah, I want to talk about bike. Yesterday morning, I gave this bike to Yamaha showroom for service. As you know, Yamaha takes so much of time just for oil change and chain sprocket change. So today I got around, you can see, what's the time now? 3:45. Yesterday morning around 8:30 I have given the bike, but now 3:45. Seriously, bro. Next time onwards, if there are any major issues in the bike, then only I will go to the actual showroom service station. But my bad. This bike is not mine. This is actually my friend's bike. My bike is Royal Enfield Classic 350. I was maintaining that bike from past 7 years. I don't have any intentions to change that bike. In fact, I have very much interest in newly launched Aprilia 457. But as you can see, I'm quite financially not okay at right the moment. I'm just working on my own. I just want to be myself with my money only. That's why I'm not getting that much of income at the moment. But short, one day, Aprilia RS 457. Definitely, I'll buy that bike at one day. Maybe a 1 year or another year. Definitely. That's my promise, guys. Okay, guys, let's go a bit faster. so much raining at the left side of the toll. What's the sound? Oh bro, this is so much traffic. I need to stop here. It's raining so much. Again, good afternoon guys. I'm currently at Dodballapur Toll Plaza. Yeah. See, now I have got my bike after service, and then the rain comes. It always sucks. Okay. This was actually the polish. Shit. Finally, I'm at home. I don't know guys, I was getting backside some sound. I don't know what exactly that is. Due to rain I couldn't able to check what is that. Okay, if there's any major issues then we need to go back again. I think tomorrow it's not possible. Day after tomorrow we need to go back. This is my bike, Royal Enfield Classic 350. Shit. Okay guys, see you in the next vlog. I think next vlog maybe around the corner, Dasara. It seems I was just planning for a trip. Just let you know guys after that. Okay, I don't know how much views I will get from this video. I think approximately 10-15 something, or even worse. But yeah, let's build something. Let's cook something for next year's Ladakh trip. Till next year Ladakh trip. Actually, I don't have plans right now. Okay, if that any case, I will let you know. Bye guys.